Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamaicanese Girl, and if you are here for the very first time, I want to say welcome to my channel. And my channel is filled with a lot of creativity, positivity, motivation, how I live my life and how I live my life to suit myself. I love to do a lot of craft. So today I'm taking you on the journey with me. I'm doing my Bedazzle series. So I'll be changing a few pieces and from casual to elegance, okay? So that will be my thumbnail, from casual to elegance. So I'm changing up a few of the items that I have and show you how you can look classy in just a couple of minutes with your creativity. So stick with the channel, and as I take you along the journey with me, and then please comment and let me know which one of the pieces you like. So I'll be taking you step to step, you know, how I'm doing it. And yeah, all cannot be done in one day, so that's why I say I'm doing a series of beautiful pieces, so from casual to elegance. All right, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much for all of your comments. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for everything. And as you stick along with me, I am so happy to even tell you how I motivate myself on some of the days when I don't feel like it, and I push myself even further to do more, because not feeling myself is not meaning that I should rest back in that, but persevere to do even more. All right, so with further I say or do, let's get down to business. Let's do some craftiness. Okay, let me turn the camera around. So this piece is the first piece that I'll be doing. All right, so when I'm done, I'll let you guys be the judge and tell me, okay? So hope you guys can see it. So this is the first piece that I'll be doing, just a simple touch, and I believe that this earring will be so elegant. Not that it's not elegant as is, but if we put a little bit into it, I think it can be more elegant. What you guys think? All right, so let's start the process. And all of these pieces will be available in my mini gift shop. Okay, all of these beautiful pieces will be in my mini gift shop. So I have my stones here that I'll be using, and yeah, I have different sizes that I would like to use. For this particular piece, I have to use tiny stones in order for it to look lovely. So I am using 3mm stones, which I think that it's going to show up very lovely. All right, going to throw out some of them now. Alright, so this is my tweezers, and I'm using B7000 glue, and just like that you can be very creative. So just don't give up on yourself, and know that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Alright, see, I've already started. I hope you guys can see. Let me bring it up a little bit closer. Hope the camera is doing a justice. So I'm applying. So this will be here. This. Look how nice it is. See that? Beautiful. Okay. Now I'm applying more glue. Wow. And you can encounter some real difficult stones that just don't want to go on. Yeah. So like I said, timer, you know, it is a lot of patience, you know, to exercise to do. All right, guys. So this is number one. So let me bring it a little bit closer, so you guys can able to get to see. All right, let me take it back so you can have a look on how it is. So this is what I'm talking from casual to elegance. So tell me how I did. I'm gonna do the second one, and then I will do the reveal, and then I will do another piece, and that's for another vlog for another day. All right, guys. So get your hands useful, get creative, and remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. And yes, sometimes when you are not feeling the way you're supposed to feel, you know, get down and try to find something to do. I'm not saying to do exactly what I'm doing, but if you wish to do something like what I'm doing, go for it. Look at the videos, get inspired, and yeah, think about how many lives out there you can just, you know, to help someone along the way, you know, to let them know that, well, they can believe in themselves, that they can do anything once you just put your mind to it. I would say put your all to it, and definitely you will succeed. There's no quick fix in nothing, and nothing quick fix, and you can do anything. So this is the reveal of the piece. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to go ahead and do the other piece, and voila, we have from casual. Let me show the two pieces. So we have from casual to elegance. Okay, so you have two pieces here. One is casual, this is the original, and then you have the one with the stones. So from this to this. Hope you guys like it. I really do. I hope I can able to inspire someone to go, and you can do this. You can make yourself stand out. You don't have to look like everybody else. You can be you. So these are my bedazzled earrings. Happy to show you them. Okay. All right, guys. All right, this is the reveal. Okay. So I have two beautiful earrings here, all completed. Okay. Let me know your thoughts, how well I did. I think they look elegant. Let me know what you think. Yeah, but so far so good. Beautiful. So this is the first I did before, but I call this series the bedazzling series. So I will be doing another earring for you, and I'll come back and show you which other one I'm doing on this video, because this one here is completed in just a short space of time, from casual to elegance. All right, beautiful. All right, guys, so I am going to do this piece as well too. Look how beautiful it is. Let me get a card back of it. All right, so this is the other piece that I'm planning to transform and make it into a beautiful piece. As you guys can see, let me be a little bit more emotional. Okay, not getting them together. All right, so this is it, and it's a hanging piece. All right, so let's see how we can do. Only the second row I'm doing, just the second row I will be doing, and voila, it's elegant already. No running away from that. This is a beautiful piece. Okay, it is a beautiful piece, but I want to put stones on these two. Okay, these two I'll be placing stones on, and I know that they're going to even look more unique than how it is right now. So let's begin. So friends, I had to do this one off camera, but nevertheless, this is the outlook of it. So I was thinking of doing the second round one, but then when I think again, I said let me do the second to last one. So not the second to last one, let me do the last one, the last row, because it just have 2 rows. All right, and it have 4 circles. So to be precise, I just do the last one of the last circle, and voila, this is it. Let me see if I'm getting any justice here with the camera. So this is the look of it. Beautiful thus far. that is it. Okay, on to the next one. All right guys, so I went back and I decided that, you know, the top here, because of just one I had placed, it didn't look so right to me, so I decided to place some stones at the top. So this is the final look, and of course this is the first one that I did. And yes, tell me how I'm doing here. This is it, this is it, this is it. See it here? I am just loving it, loving it, loving it. See that? Beautiful. Beautiful. All right guys, and so this wraps up my video for the first part of from casual to elegance and my bedazzle series. Okay, so from time to time I will be doing different pieces so you can be able to see. So I would not be wearing something like others would be wearing. So this makes you stand out and always be classy and always be unique. And I will always close my vlog and say, remember to pray and never forget that. Bye bye, I'll see you in my next video.